This video shares natural home remedies for nail infections. For educational purposes only, always consult a doctor for medical advice. Pus under fingernails often signals an infection. Bacteria enter through cuts or broken skin, causing swelling, redness, and pain. Nail infections can start from bites, injuries, hangnails, or dirty manicures. Even tiny wounds let harmful bacteria sneak in. A warm water soak for infection relief encourages pus to drain naturally. Soak the finger for 15-20 minutes, 3 times daily. Adding Epsom salt to warm water boosts healing. Dissolve 1 tablespoon and soak to draw out infection and ease swelling. Tea tree oil has antibacterial properties. Mix 1 drop with a teaspoon of coconut oil, dab on the swollen nail, and apply twice daily. Turmeric contains natural antibacterial agents. Make a thick paste with water. Apply gently and cover lightly with a bandage. Aloe vera gel soothes inflamed skin. Apply fresh gel twice a day for calming and faster recovery. Coconut oil protects and hydrates skin. Massage a little around the infected nail to block bacteria from spreading. An apple cider vinegar soak fights bacteria. Mix equal parts vinegar and warm water and soak for 10 minutes daily. Garlic has natural antibiotic effects. Crush a clove, mix with olive oil, and gently apply around the infection site. Hydrogen peroxide disinfects minor wounds. Soak the fingertip for 5-10 seconds, rinse well, and dry to avoid skin irritation. Raw honey shields wounds from infection. Dab a small layer over the affected nail, then cover loosely with a clean bandage. Keep the nail covered with breathable bandages to protect against dirt and speed healing without trapping moisture. Never squeeze or pop pus. It can push bacteria deeper, worsening the infection and slowing recovery. Over-the-counter antibiotic creams help mild infections. Apply thinly around the nail as directed until healed. Strong immunity speeds healing. Add colorful fruits, veggies, and lean proteins to your meals every day. Zinc and vitamin C are crucial for recovery. Add them through supplements or nutrient-rich foods like citrus and spinach. Stress slows healing. Try deep breathing, short walks, or meditation to support your body's repair process. Hand washing prevents new infections. Always wash before eating or touching your nails. Nail biting breaks skin barriers. Keep nails trimmed and smooth to avoid tempting edges. Use a soft toothbrush to gently clean under nails. Harsh scraping can cause microcuts and infections. If you cut or injure a nail, clean it right away. Quick care prevents bacteria from gaining ground. Only trust clean, licensed salons. Ensure tools are sterilized before any nail work begins. Watch for swelling or spreading redness. These could signal worsening infection needing fast action. Fever, chills, or red streaks up the arm signal a severe infection like lymphangitis. Seek medical care immediately. Severe infections often need a doctor to safely drain pus and prescribe stronger medications. Oral antibiotic can fully clear bad infections. Always complete the full course even if symptoms improve early. Home remedies can help mild infections, but limited evidence supports their use. Persistent or serious cases need a doctor. Prevent infections by moisturizing cuticles, trimming nails straight, and never picking at skin around the nail bed. Staying hydrated improves healing. Water flushes toxins and strengthens skin recovery processes. Gentle hand exercises after recovery help regain movement, reduce stiffness, and boost blood flow. Protect healing nails with gloves during cleaning or dishwashing. Keep chemicals away from sensitive skin. Clean all grooming tools with alcohol or boiling water. Reusing dirty clippers can restart infections. Build a simple nail care routine to keep hands healthy and infections far away. Healing takes patience. Trust the process, avoid poking at scabs, and nourish your body daily. If infections keep returning, see a dermatologist. You may need professional treatments to prevent lasting damage. Have you ever battled a nail infection? Share your story below. Like, subscribe, and join our community for more healing tips.